You know, somebody told me to look at mukbangers eating crazy amount or gross amounts of cheese. I'm about to look at this. If anything, I might as well get some views out of it. You feel me? See, that's just too much. It's the sounds. It's the sound. Who sounds like that eating cheese? His cholesterol about to be skyrocketing. I don't know why it's making my eyes water. Ew. Yeah, here, put it, yeah. He eat like a black person. See, I don't understand why all this, hold up, pause. All this racial, you know, differences we got going on right now. Chinese people, well, I don't know if they Chinese, I think they Chinese. All the Asian, not all of them, the Asians talking about don't let black people in. Like, what? We the ones that offended you. And seeing that I'm, you know, I'm on both sides. It got me a little bent, but let me get back into this. He having fun.
Here comes a new challenger.
Did he just cut the cheese? Yo, cut the cheese. It's almost all gone.
Wow.
I would say I'm gonna try this, but no. I thought it was a cinnamon roll.
Yeah. Look at this. And it's hot.
He looked like the dude from Get Out.
So put them in.
Señorita.
I'm just gonna roll this. Whoa, ho, 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 ho. Look at that. If you're a cheese lover, guys, look at that. Look at that. No!
I'm a cheese lover, but golly.
The cheese slinging.
He really looked like Slim.
I know you wanna bite. I know you wanna bite. I know you wanna bite. What? Get a bite. Yo, I forgot. What the?
I know she did not eat that whole thing. What? Like, is she serious? It's like it's never ending. Oh, okay.
Jesus, so good. Mmm.
Okay.
I love pickles.
See, I just learned something about myself. I love mukbangs, but I can only take so much because this is so cringy. Like, hey, I ain't seen her in a minute. See, that's just ridiculous. He look like he don't even like you. I sort of just want to skip them because this is ridiculous. Like, I'm tired of looking at them. Well, that don't look so bad. Like, yo, I thought he was gonna swallow that whole thing. sounds are crazy. It looked like he wanna throw up. That's crazy, the amount of sound you make and you don't even know. I'm about to give this idea to my mom because she loves cheese. I'm about to do that. I'm about to give it to her. But never mind, because I ain't see a black woman do this yet. Y'all, that's it. I'm just about to end this right here while it's still going. But if y'all want to see me do some more things like these, they also got a part 2. I don't know if I want to see that. But let me know in the comments below. But yeah, like, comment, hug that red button, subscribe to the key. Yeah. I see you.